Okay, guys, I just see that the Traxxas has released the recording application for the Android phone. So I just did an update of my application on my phone, and I did a few recording, just a dummy recording. I'll explain to you how to view that graph in how to view that in Excel and make a graph out of it. So I just did a small recording for the purpose of this demo. So let's start with you did your recording with the Traxxas application and you send it to you by email. So here it is in my computer, that recording.1.csv. So I'm just gonna open Excel here, and either I can drop the CSV on Excel, or I just can uh, open. Then that I'll go to my desktop where my file is. I don't see it there because Excel don't usually open the CSV, so I just click here and show all file, and here's my CSV. Double click on it or click and open, and here are all my data. I just double click on each column, so I'll see the full description of it. It's not mandatory for doing the graph, but just to see what we're doing here. So we have the time stat, the time in seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds of the recording. We have the speed in mile per hours, the speed in kilometers per hours, the motor temp in Fahrenheit, battery in volts, tachometer. Those speed you have to multiply that by 100, and you have the motor temp again, but in Celsius. So what you'll do is just select here, click with the left button of your mouse on that corner, so it select the full sheet, and then you do insert, and we'll take those line here. We click one click here. I'll take the first graph. Okay, now it's not a nice way to see it because the column and the row are switched. So I just have that button here, switch row and column. I press 1, and now we see better. Okay, I'm just gonna increase the size so it's easier to see, and like that. Okay, just one thing here. So you have the y-axis 0 to 80, and this x-axis is, I don't know what those numbers are, but what we want here is the timestamp here. So we want them on this axis. Actually, it's that blue line. So anywhere in the graph, you right click with your mouse and you choose select data. Okay, so we have all those lines are there, which are the same here, and we don't have the one in the x-axis, which I don't really know what it is. But what we're going to do, this timestamp, we're going to remove it from there. We don't want that blue line there, so we just click on it and remove, and we're going to add it this side, which going to make it on the x-axis. So I just do edit, and I just go select the column A like that, and then it wrote it by itself here. I say OK and OK again. So now we see the time at the bottom, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5, whatever. So that recording we see was lasting 16.1 seconds or close to it. So now we have all the lines with the legend here. So like first line is the red one, the speed in mile per hours, so it's that red line here. So either you look at the scale here, we go, it's around 40 miles an hour on the max I went, but if I just put my cursor anywhere and I stop, I can see the value is 41.835 miles per hour. Same for all the other ones. So the greenish is the kilometers an hours, the purple one is the motor temp in Fahrenheit, which is the top one here. 67 degrees. Batteries voltage in blue is this one here, which is 16.5-ish. Tachometer, the orange, you have 31.317, but this one I have to multiply by 100, so it's 3131 RPM or so. And then the last one, motor temp in Celsius, like the blue gray is this one here, 19.555. So that's it. You have a nice graph, and then quick you can see and troubleshoot whatever happened to your run. Thank you for listening.